focus. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be wrapping the roof on the Subi. It's just going to be black, so I mean, I guess anybody would think that it was going to be black. I don't know why you wouldn't think it'd be black. But the very first thing that we got to try to do, I got Vince with me too. We got to try to get this vortex generator off, and I'm sure I'm probably going to have to buy a new one maybe, because I mean the 3M tape is definitely not going to be any good after I take it off, but I don't know. That's probably going to be a pain trying to get off. Yeah. Yep. And so yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm also filming you guys live over here on the side, and I haven't done that yet, so I thought that would be kind of cool. Got to go in, take out the C-pillars, and bring them to the headliner. Get this antenna right here off as well, and the wrap that we got, I need to go ahead and take it out of the box, and hopefully it's in good condition. So yeah, and if you guys are still wondering too, I'm still waiting on the trunk, the carbon trunk, to come in. If you guys didn't already know, that's obviously what I'm doing, but I've been waiting for over 5 weeks now, and it still hasn't arrived. But I guess the wait, hopefully it'll be worth it. So yeah, let's go ahead and keep on working on this stuff, and let's knock this thing out. So I have to go ahead and take off these C-pillars. I know the light is really dark in here right now. There is also 3 little pop clips up here on top of the roof. Damn, this freaking lighting sucks really bad. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, and then the nut for the antenna is going to be right up here. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in there and do. There it goes.
Was that a whoops or there it goes?
I said there it goes.
Oh, I thought you said whoops. That's never a good thing to hear when you're working on the car.
Right.
Are you able to get it?
Yep. Yeah, so like the pop clips, if you guys can see that. Let me flip this thing up so I can see what the hell I'm even doing. This part is pull the black part down, and then the white part just pops right out. I just used my fingernails. It worked. Alright, this C-pillar is off. Just popped it off, and then it'll let me pull the headliner forward. I still gotta get that one off right there, and then I'll be able to drop this headliner right here, pulling it down, hopefully without creasing it, and then be able to get the bolt that's right up in here. I don't know if I'm gonna have to take these off, my little grab handle things, but yeah. This is a pain so far though, but hopefully it'll get better. Alrighty guys, handle is off, and it was just these 2 clips. There's little things right here on the side that you put it like a screwdriver in on both sides, and they'll pull down and then just pull straight out for the handle to come out, and you just pull this straight out right here. So yeah, it's almost like hopefully
it's the best way to get it off. Just literally like roll with your finger.
I can pull this down without creasing this headliner anymore. The antenna is off. That was a complete pain. There's a little pop clip on the inside of it. It's not a pop clip, but it's like you push the clip and then pull the wire. Trying to get your hands up in there underneath the hood liner. I think that's hood liner, right? Yeah, roof liner. You can't really even see, the lighting is really bad. There you go. but like pulling this down at the same time, you don't really have a whole lot of room, and then trying to get your arms up in there and scraping your arms all up. It's definitely a pain to be able to get, but it's off now. So now we're just, Vince has already got that side over there done. He's working on this side, trying to get all of this goo off from the vortex generator. And then we'll be able to start wiping everything down and then start laying down the wrap. So I need to go ahead and get this wrap out, and hopefully it's in good condition. Alrighty guys, all the goo from the vortex generator is finally off. We got blisters on our fingers. That was a pain in the ass to do. Vince is getting ready to throw some alcohol. What is it even called?
Isopropyl alcohol, 70%.
That's the word, yeah.
That's the word.
Yep. We're going ahead and wiping everything down, you guys can see, with alcohol, and then we'll be ready to start throwing down that wrap. So let's hope for the best.
Is your roof metal?
Alright, we almost got it completely glassed besides this back part. I'd probably say like the first half has been pretty close to being glassed. Then we're just squeezing out some of the fingers and stuff, but this back side we're still gotta get. Alrighty guys, well we got it all laid down pretty much, and now we just got to go through and cut out all the edges and tuck all the edges. And I feel like these fingers right here are going to continue to fight us quite a bit, but that was already fighting us from the get-go. But yeah, it's getting there though, but it's looking pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and just keep on at it, start tucking these edges. We got to peel this that top part off, and then because there's like a protective film on top of it, the way it didn't get scratched, and then start tucking. I just use a screwdriver, pop that backside up. There's clips, just pops right up. That's all it is. Yeah, that side was easy. The other side freaking pulled out all the clips. Okay.
And then you'll have to go in there and squeeze in clips for it to go all the way down.
Whoa. Am I all fucking... Alrighty guys, it's all done and blurry. There we go. Hell yeah. Dude, that looks good. I should have done this a lot sooner. Besides all these bugs. I don't know, I don't really show up. Yeah. Vince did a fantastic job on this freaking what is it, antenna? The antenna fin. Yeah. It was done in 2 pieces, but you can't even tell. It looks really good. Everything turned out really, really well. Hell yeah.
No white lines, no nothing.
I know. Well, we tucked that shit deep too. Hell yeah. Looks really good. Alrighty guys, well that is the video. Vince, thanks a lot, man. Couldn't have done it without you. Well, if I did try to do it without you, it would have been a complete pain in the ass, dude.
Fuck yeah, I couldn't imagine doing that roof.
I mean, I have blisters on my fingertips, if you guys can even see them. Vince has blisters too. Just trying to get the glue off of the...
From the vortex
generator. That vortex generator.
Oh, don't forget to load that back up.
Oh, I do need to put that in there too. Yeah. So yeah, guys, if you guys like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. Still more coming, still waiting on the carbon trunk. That's why I wrapped the roof in the first place. That way it kind of flows a little bit better. So yeah, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, till next time guys, peace.